Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I will present the result of our group assignment. Our theme is the Information System Department. Before going to the material, I will introduce the name of the group members first. The first is myself, Nur Firdaus Fitra Suprapto. The second is Vena Angelina Anggun Syahnoja. And the last is Nailah Zahrotun Andriani Soleha. The Information System Department. The Information System Department consists of specialists such as programmers, system analysts, project leaders, and information system managers. Programmers are highly trained technical specialists who write the software instruction for computers. System analysts constitute the principal liaisons between the information system group and the rest of the organization. Information system managers are leaders of teams of programmers and analysts, project managers, physical facility managers, telecommunication managers, or database specialists.
In many companies, the Information System Department is handled by 1. Chief Information Officer or CIO. The CIO is a senior manager who oversees the use of information technology in the firm. 2. Chief Security Officer or CSO. The CSO is in charge of information system security for the firm and is responsible for enforcing the firm's information security policy. 3. Chief Privacy Officer or CPO. The CPO is responsible for ensuring that the company complies with existing data privacy laws. 4. The Chief Knowledge Officer or CKO. The CKO is responsible for the firm's knowledge management program. 5. The Chief Data Officer or CDO. The CDO is responsible for enterprise-wide governance and utilization of information to maximize the value the organization can realize from its data. 6. End users are representative of departments outside of the information system group for whom applications are developed.
Organizing the information system function. Our learning track describes alternative ways of organizing the information system function within the business. Larger companies will have a separate information system department, which may be organized along several different lines, depending on the nature and interest of the firm. The question of how the information system department should be organized is part of the large issue of IT governance, include the strategy and policies for using information technology within an organization. Thank you.
That's all our explanation about the Information System Department. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.